Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So here I am at home doing a voiceover. And I was actually trying to do, I brought with me the little microphone. I want to do a blah 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 on my way visiting, but I just realized that I do not have a strong voice, or I am very intimidated to talk loud in public place. So I think voiceover is kind of my only resolution for my miserable voice. And so the other day I went to Filoli Garden, and this is a very, very beautiful garden, and not too far away from my place. So from time to time I go there. I went there the first time, and I found, well, to buy one. Okay. Let's continue. I am a little bit forgot where we were. And my family came back, and we had dinner. Is there anything more important than family dinner, right? Yeah, that is the most important thing. Excuse me for leaving you just like that. So I think we were talking about, I went to swimming pool on Saturday, I think around 2 o'clock, Sunday, 2 o'clock. So in the morning I woke up and doing this and that. Time flies. Time really flies when you are having fun, when you are enjoying, when you are doing nothing, right? Time flies. And I arrived there, the park, the park entertainment area, children, kids playground, and there was a young boy. I think it's in 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, around that. It's very much like my student, that age. And they are selling a lemonade stand. So I asked, there is a price and there are products. I didn't see very clear. I said, when do you finish? And the young boy said at around 3 o'clock. So I didn't say anything, but I made a promise I will come back. So I went to swimming pool, and in the changing room I hesitate because it's my time. It's a weekend, Sunday, and I have no schedule, nothing time frame. So I was very relaxed. I sit in the bathroom, sit in the toilet, and looking at the local newspaper and checking email and these things. Yes, that's all we do, right? Everyone do it. If you do not do it, you are not everyone. So, and then I went to swim, and when I finish, it's already something like 3:30, 3:40. It's quite late. I feel a little bit bad because I was so slow, and I do not have time to go back to that little boy to buy the lemonade. I promised. I promised myself at least. And I told this boy, you said, I said 3 o'clock I will come back. I said it. And 3:40 I finished my swimming, and I went there to see. Oh, still there. So he is still there, but I took another route. So I saw him. I didn't greet him. I just want to go back home and come back. So I walked back home, relatively not in a leisure speed, in a normal speed. I went back home and immediately took a bicycle and get a couple of dollars coming back. And when I came back, bicycle came back. That young boy, the 10 years old boy, is not there. I was quite disappointed, but there is a 6-7-year-old. I think he's in my first grade, that kind of age. He is there. And there is a guy standing behind him together. So I asked, is your brother there? And his brother is somewhere playing in the playground a little bit further away. And the guy said, oh, his brother is not here, but I will tell him. Yeah, I said I will come back. So now I went back home and pick up the money, and now I come back. So I came back, and then I said, what do you have? And the little boy, 6-7 years old boy, bring up a menu. There is lemonade, there is candies, there is marshmallows, there are some even a little toy, something, and each have different price. So I asked, is that made by yourself? He said, and I forgot, but it's kind of his brother made. Anyway, so we start to have a chat, and so we can talk exactly how it was made, and introduce, wow, our lemon tree is good, and then people talk about how to plant lemon and how to take care of the lemon when there is a problem, when the leaf goes yellow. It's a very easy and fun way to strike a dialogue. And I talk with this little boy, his dad, he himself, he was a little bit shy, 6 years old, but starting to do something, and it makes me feel so friendly, this neighborhood. There is a very unique feeling about it when you see a lemonade stand. And especially just a couple of days ago, I saw one video. There was a guy came back, rush back home, get $20 and go back to a lemonade stand. And because when he was young, nobody passed by, and he wanted to support that little boy who sells their lemonade. And that is actually, no matter how much you buy, you spend $20, you spend $2. No, it's not about the money. It's about the sense of community. It's about a sense of our generation taking care and guiding the young generation. So let me have a cup of tea, a sip of tea. So it's about transforming and the sense of community, not about how much money you spend. And also, every single thing you do in your life has a compact in the future of your life, in everyday life. And it's a cycle. Life is a cycle. And if you do right thing and keep on doing the right thing, yeah, it is is that is about life, right? It's all about our life. And it makes me feel so happy and make me feel very happy because I fulfilled my promise, and I did the right thing, and that is very, very empowering. In our life, so often it is hard to achieve something, to be successful. But I was successful at that moment. I made a promise, I want to buy your things. And heaven give me the chance that even if I am late, they are still here, they are still there. And the dad said, you are coming just in time, because I am here to pick up this vendor, this stuff, and bring my kids back. So it was just, heaven has a way. Heaven has a way. A lot of time, when you hesitate, when you do not know what is going on, what will happen, heaven always find a way. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo, bye, bye.